Hi guys, today is my last day to be here. I wanted to show you around what I have today, and maybe you can see that's what I'm having. It's a beautiful sunset, and everything here is very calm, very calm. And yeah, of course, where I am right now, it's all designated place where no one is around, so I'm having this all on my own. Look up there, right there in front there's a villa. Nobody's there. Actually, I am all alone here, like crazy. And the water is amazing, crystal clear blue. Really, look at this. But still very cold, you know. That's what I was about to show you. Being the last day in Croatia, I enjoyed my time, and maybe I'm looking forward to come here another time, maybe next year or another time in summer when everyone is doing holidays. So I wish you all a happy Easter and a beautiful evening tonight or today. It's a long holiday. Everyone is with their families. It's Easter. It's Good Friday until Monday. So enjoy all. A happy Easter. Bye.